All right, we are back here working on our bug eye. I have coerced or begged my buddy Tom to help us one more time.
Threatened.
When we put the quarter panel on, he did such a beautiful job patching the hole where the roll bar had been. I said, whoa, let's show our audience exactly how you did that. Because, I mean, I've been doing this stuff for 40 years and maybe a little longer than that, and you kicked my butt as far as how well you did it. So explain to us what it is we're doing and how we're going to do it.
Okay, very simple. We got a big hole here. We got a bunch of little holes around it. In order to make it nice and easy, I'm going to take and square this hole off, and we're going to cut it underneath the beading on this. We're going to make a cut straight down so that when we weld everything back up, it'll be a stronger, better than having to do all the body work all the way down through here, so close to the beading.
So body work along this bead is going to be nearly impossible. That's another reason to just bring your new panel down there.
Yep. Gonna scribe it down. We're ready to cut now.
So any time that I do any kind of body work, I save the old sheet metal. You really want to have the exact same thickness of metal that you put in there, and another piece off the same car is obviously going to be the correct metal, or at least should be. So we're going to take this door that was, you recognize that door panel?
No.
Yeah.
Am I supposed to?
It's off of one
Looks
of the
like
cars.
a BMW.
Yeah, I think it is. It's off of one of the cars we built over the years. So all right, let's figure out what size piece we want, and we'll cut it out.
Okay.
Now we've got all the old metal out. Now we need to fit the patch exactly into position. There's also just a little bit of curve here we're going to have to build into the patch. This is where the expert hands come in.
Oh, okay. We're starting to form it a little bit. We got this little bit of a belly in it to match this here. Now this side's got a little bridge in it to match this here. And we'll keep tweaking it around. What I'm trying to do now is to get a good tight fit inside here and here and have it match up on the sides. Once I get that, then we can move forward and cut the top on it. I want to leave about 1/16 of an inch there for what they call an air gap. And the air gap is so that the metal doesn't bunch up as it swells when it gets hot when we're welding it, and it'll start buckling the panel up. So you got to weld it real slow and just little dabs at a time.
All right, so Tom's got the patch all fitted and complete. The only thing left to do is to just clean up the edge of it a little bit, get it to bare metal, and start tack welding it in.
And that's the job we'll leave up for the professionals.
Yeah, yeah. Somebody wants to go home, I'll finish it up from here. Thanks for your help. All right, so we've roughed up the edges. I've drilled holes for the spot welds, and I'm going to basically put the piece in. I'm going to tack the four corners, maybe one in the middle here, and you don't really want to do more than one weld at a time. So this is something that'll probably take me a couple days, keep coming back to it. All right, so we've got it tacked in. From here I can hammer and dolly it. a little bit as needed and keep putting a little few more in. Thanks to my moderate welding and Tom's expertise, we've quickly got a pretty nice patch that we took out of an old panel, so it didn't cost us anything to do. So I'm going to keep spotting little bits at a time here for the next couple days as I do other stuff on this car. As you can see, there's still plenty to do, and I'll show it to you when I get it all done. With that, we now have fixed this area on both sides. If you love this kind of project, please hit the like or subscribe button and go to classicmotorsports.com. We do this stuff all the time.
Support brands that support classic motorsports. Get your chemical solutions from CRC Industries. Visit crcindustries.com to learn more.